Just scoop it and then put it in a bag. Scoop it and then put it in a bag. Oh, this is so gross. All right. Just scoop it and put it in a bag. 1, 2. Oh my God. I can't do it. You are a grown woman. You can do this. First of all, it's dead. It cannot hurt you. Just get it. The poor mail lady had to walk over the bird because you a wimp. Okay. 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 Should I sweep it or should I scoop it? Oh my God. Maybe I should sweep it into this. But then I'm going to have dead bird juice on the shovel and on the broom. No. I should just scoop it. Oh my God. This is so fucking gross. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to curse. I'm just nervous. Okay. Ugh. Okay. 1. 1. Okay. 1. Okay. Oh, what if I rake it into the thing? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay. I'm gonna leave this like this. Okay. Wait, I got an idea. So I'm gonna do like this. Am I doing too much? That's a lot, ain't it? Oh my God. Jesus, help me, please. Please, Father, I need your help. Okay. Come on, Angie. You are a grown woman. You can do this. It passed away, and it is what it is. Jesus. 1. 1. 2. Oh my God. Wait. Let's put that like that. Okay. 1. Ugh.